Welcome back to the Caddy, Daddy, and Bot Parts Garage. Today we're going to be reassembling our leveling valve. Previous episode, took one apart, been all cleaned up in the ultrasonic machine. Now we're going to get ready to reassemble it. So, first thing I'm going to do is take this seal. You can see that it's got a cup side. And put it into the easiest way I found is to put it onto the part and kind of work it in there. Being careful not to cut the edges. Gently work it in. So now we got our seal in there. We don't need to worry about our seal for a few minutes. Then I'm going to put one of the new O-rings on the non-threaded side, like that. Give it a little bit of grease. What we want to do is assemble this onto the lever. So we have the spring and the plunger. Now we have to force this all together, and it's not an easy job. But if we get it to start, okay, we got it started. Like I say, there's a special tool for this that is unavailable. So we kind of have to do what we can. Be careful not to get yourself with the screwdriver. And there we are. Just like that. We have our cap and our clip that we'll be putting on later. Now we will apply our second O-ring. With a little bit of grease. Silicone type grease. We'll apply some around that shoulder that rides in this seal. Now what we can do is install our Schrader valves. This is the exhaust valve, and it goes on this side through that opening. This is the intake valve. It goes in through the bottom. Now that those are installed, we can slip that right in. The fork goes under the exhaust and over the intake. Lays right in there. New screw and lock washer from our set. Don't have to go real tight on that because we still have a calibration procedure that we're going to do. And we can put our plastic clip back in place. Let's see, do I want to put this clip in? Everything oriented the right way. See that mechanism all works freely inside, which it does. Put fresh O-rings on all of our fittings. A little crease on each one. This is our fitting to the airbag. It goes in that port. This is the exhaust fitting. Remembering the exhaust valve has the end that protrudes through the fork. And this is our intake check valve. Tighten everything down. These don't have to be super tight, and because they are sealed with an O-ring. Okay, at this point, what's left to do is a calibration procedure that sets the free motion, and then reinstallation of the bottom cover, the gasket and the bottom cover. So the calibration procedure is quite involved, I'll say. So we're going to leave that to another episode, and so you can come along with me, and we will be doing that next time. If this looks like a project that you need to tackle, we have the rebuild kits available. You can see the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time when we do the calibration. Thanks for watching.
At Caddy Daddy Presents, it's all about giving back. Please enjoy the video of the Boys and Girls Clubs of St. Helena and Calistoga.